Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is like my fourth video that I'm filming with this look. Hope you don't mind. But I really wanted to do my empties today, so I thought I'd just add it on to my little filming list that I've got for today. So today I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff that I've used up. It's not like a massive amount, but I just want to show you so I can start putting it into the recycling and whatnot. So yeah, let's get straight into things that I've been using up recently, see whether it's worth the money, see whether I'd repurchase, all that kind of good stuff. So I've actually got like a couple of vitamins that I've used up, which is a bit random. So I've used up the Tesco Health High Strength Chewable Vitamin C, which is like this. I would personally not recommend them because of the taste of it, but it's like eating a bit of chalk, but a little bit like orange flavoured. But I didn't mind it. I didn't mind it. And weirdly enough, I actually bought these when they kept saying that a vitamin C would help to prevent you getting COVID. Literally why I bought them, because I started feeling bad and I was like, need vitamin C. And then I'd forget to use them and I'd start feeling poorly and I was like, need to eat my vitamin C tablets. So yeah, I used all of them up. Another one that I've used up is the Revolution Skin Hair, Skin and Nails Gummies. So this was 60 gummies. It's like a month's supply and you had two a day. These are vegan, cruelty free. They are cruelty free, but I was meant to say gluten free and low sugar, and they were orange flavour. These tasted so nice, like to the point where I was actually buzzed that I got 2 of these a day because they were that nice. They were like they looked like little orange segments. They were really nice. I don't know if they made a difference, but I like the taste of them anyway. So another thing that I used up, which it would not be empties if we didn't have one of these in here, is the EMPTIES dry shampoo. I've got another one on the go. We'll always repurchase this. Love it so much. Saves my life. And then moving on to kind of like fragrances. So I've actually used up a full perfume. Gourmet. It's got like the tiniest little bit left. This is the French Blossom. This is basically like a dupe of, what were you a dupe of? I think it was a dupe of Flower Bomb. Yeah, a dupe of Flower Bomb. There's a little bit left in it. And we were actually using this. This is like a £4 one from Savers. And I started using it as a poo spray after I had a shite. I would spray the room with this if it was a stinky one. So that's why we went through that quite quick, because your girl poos. Shock horror, as everyone does. Another one that definitely wasn't a poo spray because this felt too nice, and I'm sure it was really expensive as well. I got this in a glossy box, I think. This is the Aura Body Fragrance Mist in Tropique. And it smells. It smells like holiday, just no worries. Hakuna Matata, that's what it smells like. No, it smells really nice, but I'm pretty sure that's expensive. So yeah, so I used that up. I was just using that like as a body spray. And then I've actually used up two mascaras. Go me. The first one is the Revolution Game of Thrones mascara, which is unbelievable. I don't know if you can still get this or not. If you can, I'll leave it linked down below. But yeah, I used this bad boy up and I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. Would definitely repurchase if I didn't have like too many like mascaras on the go like what I've got at the moment. And like I've even got ones like that I haven't even been opened yet. So I'm going to wait until I've like got my way through some of them. And then another one that I have completely used up is the Revolution The Lion King mascara, which is unbelievable again. Unbelievable. If I was going to pick between the Game of Thrones and the Lion King one, I think I would go for the Game of Thrones one more. I think, yeah. I think I would. So yeah, that's them two. And then I've used up a little mini cleanser. This is the Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm. And it's just like a little mini one like this. I think I got this from like Yes Style in like a PR parcel. I normally save these for when I'm going away for the night, but I've obviously must have used that up whilst I've been away. And then I've had like a huge brush clean, sponge clean, so I've used up quite a few different cleansers, like little ones that I was trying to like use up before I go back to my IsoClean. So I've used up the Real Techniques brush and sponge cleansing gel. It was alright, nothing to shout home about. I used up the Style Pro Sponge Sparkle, which came with my sponge cleanery thing from Style Pro. I got that in Home Bargains for like £6.99, by the way. if it's still there, go get it, 'cause it's like worth like 40 odd quid. And then the other one that I'm like literally about to use up, so I thought I'd mention it, is the Beauty Blender Liquid Blender Cleanser. Again, it's nice, but because it's so expensive, I feel like I'm like this at the sink, like pouring it onto my sponge so I don't lose it and trying to like treasure every drop. Whereas when it comes to my sponges, I'd rather just use baby shampoo. It costs £1. I'm not like pressure, like completely like this with every single drop, trying to make sure that every drop counts. I don't mind too much if I drop a little bit of it down the sink, whereas these kind of things are so expensive. I feel like I'm kind of so cautious about making sure I'm getting the most out of it. It takes me so much longer to clean my brushes and my sponges. So yeah, that is like just a little mini empties of things that I've used up. I'd love to know what you think of these kind of videos. Do you want me to do more of these in the future? I think it's really interesting to see what people use up and to see what it is that they've been using so much. Like for me to get through 2 mascaras, but also for them to be Revolution mascaras as well, is really, really good, because Revolution mascaras aren't like my favourite ones, but these were so good. Like I could not put them down. And I've kind of got like that at the moment with the Dull Beauty Showstopper Volumizer mascara, which is actually what I've got on now. If you're wondering about my eye look, it's from the Revolution Marley collection. I'll leave it linked down below. My foundation, I will leave the video review down below, because I'm testing this and it was an interesting video, so I'll leave it linked down below if it's already up. But yeah, and like my cheeks and stuff, I've literally just reviewed these, which are the I Heart Revolution ombre blushes and highlighters. So again, if that one up, which it probably will be, I will leave it linked down below. And if you're wondering what's on my lips, do they keep looking like a little bit patchy? I don't know why, but it's the She Glam like double-ended lip thingy. So you have like the lipstick on one end and the lip liner on the other. And this one's the shade Deep Caramel. It's really nice, but it's like a little bit drying. Like, I feel like I need to lick my lips if it makes any sense. But yeah, that's everything. That's everything that I've been using recently, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.